there, Kim Kesti here, Creative Director at Fun Stamper's Journey, and I'm here to present another product spotlight to you. We love our product spotlights. It just gives you a little taste of some of our fabulous products. And of course, when you're ready to learn more, you can visit us at our website at funstampersjourney.com or certainly on our YouTube channel. We love posting new videos to the YouTube at least a couple times a week. So super fun, check that out. Today's product spotlight is all about silks. Silks are such a unique product in our Fun Stamper's Journey line. I am super excited to share just a little bit about what these little gems can do. Now you can see that they all look like they're little tiny nail polish containers, and that is actually really similar to what they are. In fact, I'm going to shake one up and then open it and show you that. First of all, silks are very, very unique. They are water-based product, but they also have this really fun enamel and metallic mixture in the bottom. So if you can see it, I have not shaken this one up, and it's got all that goodness on the bottom. There we go, yay. So I'm just going to gently shake it up, and as I do, you'll kind of see that you can kind of warm it in your hand a little bit or just gently shake it. You don't want to go too crazy with it because it is a glass bottle. But as you shake it up, you can see that the metallic starts mixing in. See, that's about half mixed up there. Kind of just keep shaking and rolling. And then you get all that really, really yummy mixture. There we go. Oh, did you hear that little noise? I'll put it closer to my mic. So that's a little metallic ball inside there, and that's going to help mix up your mixture all the way. And when you hear that good sound, that means you're super close to getting your silk mixed up. So I think that one is in good shape. I'm just going to kind of scoot these up a little bit and show you the very, very easiest way to apply this. I'm just going to grab a little piece of paper. So when you open it, like I said, it does exactly resemble a little nail polish container. Now this is a lot thinner than your typical nail polish, so the consistency won't be like that, but the application is similar. One of the things we like to do is just simply add what we call a flick of color to our projects. So I'll just go ahead and tap the cap, and look how easy is that. Just gives that fun splatter of color. Now you can go darker, you can go lighter, you can hit it harder, you can hit it softer. Those type of things are going to have to be you figuring out what your best look is and what your application is, how you want your finished project to look. But again, you're in control. You can do any of those different effects. So super fun. Let me switch to one that I particularly love. This is our gold silk. And again, this one, I think I shook it up a little bit ago. It should mix up pretty quickly. Just see how quickly that changes to that yummy, yummy metallic gold in there. Oh my gosh, I just love it. I'll just add it on top of this turbo teal just to give you the different look of a true metallic. Now the gold looks a little bit darker when it first gets applied, but then as it dries, it'll just lighten slightly. But hopefully if I can tilt this paper a little bit, oh yeah, there we go. You can see that delicious metallic in there. Isn't that fun? It also has a little dimension too. If you even go back to that turbo teal drop right there, it is going to add a little bit of dimension to your product. And that's because of that enamel in there. It just kind of makes it pop a little bit extra. So super fun. That is the basics of the very first way that you can apply all the fun silk to your project. Let me show you a couple. This is one of our fun Stamp of the Month kits that we did. But you can see that we've applied the citrus cooler to this card. And look how it just emphasizes that fun, juicy, look of the oranges. So love the citrus cooler silk on there. Just fun and playful. One of our brand new colors is our peaches and cream. So we have two brand new colors in our silks. Peaches and cream is one of them that I just love. And here's a cute project from our Easter Blessings launch. Now this is kind of a watercolor background. And here you can see we've just flicked it with a little bit of that peach. Just adorable. It gives that perfect little accent. So love that new color, peaches and cream. One other thing I did want to show you, one of our most popular silks is our sparkle silk. Now you can see that this really doesn't have a whole lot of color to it on the get-go, but look at that lovely metallic in the bottle. Isn't that wonderful? You can gently shake it again, like I said, and then you just get that really sparkly color to your products. Here's one project. I actually showed this on a different product spotlight. This is the background's created with our liquid color, but look how we've added the sparkle silk to it. I added the sparkle silk to this product project when it was still wet. So it just kind of blended in and it's just gorgeous. So again, it doesn't really have a silvery look. It's quite clear if you tip it a certain way, but then it catches that lovely sparkle. So here's the finished project. So much fun. So Sparkle Silk is probably our #1 bestseller of silk. If I had to choose a couple to start with, I would probably go with the Sparkle Silk, and then I might pick a metallic, either silver or gold, and then pick one of your favorite colors. That would be an awesome way to start with your silk endeavors. Now, what else can you do with the little fun brush? Let me just show you real quick. I'm going to go back to our bubble gum. Now, because it does have the little brush applicator, you can do exactly that. You can use it to apply color directly to your stamped projects. So I'm just going to go in and use this as just a little tiny paintbrush. And you can go in. It doesn't have a super much precision, but it's perfect for larger images like this. And if you want more precision, I'll just share that with you. First of all, let's kind of tip that. See how you can see that pretty gleam of metallic in there? Isn't that fun? So if you do want a little more precision, I'm taking one of our clear blocks and I'm dabbing a little bit of a little bit of our silk on the block. And then I'm going to go ahead and pick it up with one of our blender brushes. Now our silks are water-based, so that you can blend them with water. This brush has a little bit of water in it. And now I'm going to just pick it up with my little blending brush. And now I can get more of that precision that I want. So you can either use it directly with the brush in the bottle, or you can pick it up with the blender. So I love that. You can also water this down if you want a little bit lighter color. The only caution I do have for you is that when you are done with your silk on your block, you're going to want to go ahead and clean that off in a somewhat timely manner. If the silk dries on your block, it'll be a little bit harder to get off. You're going to have to scrub at it a little bit more. So if you take care of it and just wipe it off with a paper towel or a damp cloth when it's still wet, perfect, you're good to go. So just remember it has that little bit of enamel in there, so you want to take care of cleaning it off. Now one more quick way, I just got to show you one more quick way to add silk to your project. I'm just going to use this blank spot space here. This is one of our little stamps from one of our masculine sets, Thanks Dad. I thought it would be fun to show you how to add a little silk accent. Now first I'm just loading up my stamp with our traditional Color Fusion ink. This is black licorice. But then I'm going to come back with our silver. Remember I said silver was one of the fun metallics. And I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of accent to this stamped image. So I'm just going to swish a little bit on there, maybe a little bit on the brim. So it's just going to add a fun little accent. Let's check it out once it's stamped, what it looks like. So check that out. Is that not fun? So just another super fun, cute way just to add a little bit of metallic. And again, if I kind of tilt it, I don't know if I'm going to be able to catch it on the camera now. It's going to just add that fun little metallic. So think of doing that with gold silk on a floral accent, or that peaches and cream on a different little stamped project. Just super fun, just add a little bit of that silk. And again, you're going to want to clean your stamp right away so you don't leave that enamel sitting on the stamp. So I hope you enjoyed that sneak peek into the wonderful world of silks. That's almost a tongue twister. I know that you'll enjoy this product as you will so many of the Fun Stampers Journey projects. Go ahead and check us out again at funstampersjourney.com, and we hope that you enjoy bringing paper to life.